Okay, good morning, student, once again. Okay, today I will be checking the homework which I had given you all on that day. That is the tumor of kidney and the remaining notes of UTI, whoever haven't shown yet. So first of all, let me start with Finisha. Finisha, can you please show me the notes?
Yes, miss.
Yeah, okay. Can you please show me? Yes, I can see. Okay. Okay, turn the page. Okay. Keep on turning. Keep on turning. This is benign tumor. Okay, okay. Okay. After this, Shital, get ready, okay? After this, Shital, get ready. Okay. Okay. Okay, good. There was Finisha, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Finisha is done. Shital, show me. After Shital, Malvina, get ready, okay? Okay. Shital, where is the malignant? Okay. Keep on turning. Okay. Keep on turning. Okay. Okay, okay. Keep on turning. Keep on turning the page. Okay, okay. Good, good. Shital. Okay, Samuel present. You, Samuel, get ready afterwards to show your notes. Who was next? Malvina, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, Malvina, show me. After Malvina, Girija, get ready. After Malvina, Girija. Okay, Malvina, show me the types of malignant tumor. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, Malvina, done. Next is Girija. Girija, keep on turning. Okay, show me the last page. Last page. Okay, good. Okay, Girija, done. After Girija, you Samuel, show me. After Samuel, Tumpe, get ready. After Samuel, Tumpe, get ready.
Yes, ma'am.
And whoever haven't shown the tumor of kidney, means like UTI, everything you show me together. Okay. Types of tumor. Samuel, where is your types of malignant tumor? Okay, okay. After Samuel, please, Surajit, get ready. Okay. Okay. Okay, good, good. Okay, Samuel done. Surajit, show me. After Surajit, this. Oh, where is Tumpe? Tumpe. Surajit, show me. After Surajit, Tumpe.
Wait, I can't rotate my.
Okay, okay, you take your time. Yeah, you try to adjust. Okay, before that, Tumpe, show me. Okay, Surajit, I can see now. After Surajit, Tumpe, get ready. After Surajit, Tumpe. Okay, Surajit, show me. Okay. Tumpe, you show afterwards. Wait. Surajit. Okay, okay. This was UTI, right?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
okay. Okay. Turn the page. Keep on turning the page. Show me the management. UTI management. Okay, okay. Now show me the tumor of kidney.
Ma'am, I have not right.
Tumor of kidney, you did not write.
Yes, ma'am.
You show me on Thursday the tumor of kidney as well as this one, obstructive uropathy, okay?
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Tumpe. After Tumpe, Nafishisa, get ready after Tumpe.
Ma'am, UTI urinary tract
Yes,
infection.
yeah. Okay, okay. UTI, you show me the diagram. Diagram. Okay, good, good. Tumpe, show me the management. Management of UTI. Okay. Now show me this tumor. Tumor. Okay. Show me the management of tumor. Where is the management? Please point out.
Ma'am, management.
Management of tumor.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 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 done. Tumpe done.
Okay, ma'am.
Who was next? Ilasara, right? Oh, Nafisisa
No,
was
ma'am.
next. Okay. Now
Ma'am.
after Nafisisa, Ilasara. Okay. Nafisisa. Okay. Nafisisa, what is this? I can't see clearly.
Tumor.
Okay, okay. Okay, where is the type of malignant tumor? Where you have written? Okay, okay, good. Please turn the page. Okay. Okay. There was diagnostic evaluation, right? Diagnostic evaluation?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay, okay, good. Nafisha, done. Ilasara, show me. After Ilashara, Darshana.
Ma'am, you can see. No?
Yes, I can see, I can see. Yeah, okay. Okay, okay, good. Okay, next page. Okay. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, okay. Next page. Okay. Okay, Lasara, good. Okay. After Darshana, show me. Where is Darshana? After Darshana, Dibyajit, get ready. After Darshana. Darshana, show me. Please don't waste time. Darshana, show me. Darshana, show me. Okay. Dibyajit, show me. We can't waste time. Dibyajit, show me. Show me, show me.
मैम
Dibyajit, show nice.
बैक कैमरा कैसे ऑन करते हैं पता नहीं.
I can see. It was your back camera. Dibyajit, it was your back camera. I can see. Okay. Dibyajit, what is this?
This is UTI मैम.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Turn the page, turn the page. After Dibyajit, Darshana, get ready. Show me your diagram once again.
Ma'am.
Diagram. Show me the diagram. Okay, okay. It's nice. Okay, turn the page. Where is the
किडनी
Yes, say,
मैम
say.
किडनी स्टोन का कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है अभी.
Okay, okay. You show me on the after tomorrow, okay? That is Tuesday. With Thursday, you show me on Thursday. With Suraj.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Yes ma'am.
Dibyajit is done. Dibyajit is done. Oh, Darshana, show me. After Darshana, Ishan, get ready. Darshana, show me. Okay. Darshana, where is your, this one, types of malignant tumor? Okay, okay. Turn the page. Okay. 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 Keep on turning, keep on turning. Keep on turning the page.
Finish management.
Okay, okay. Good, Darshana, good. Who was next? Next was Ishan. Ishan, show me. Show me the notes, Ishan. After Ishan, Srijana, get ready. After Ishan.
Ma'am, is it visible?
Yes, yes, I can see, I can see. Okay. Okay. Keep on turning the page. Okay. Ishan done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Next was who? Srijana, right? After Srijana, Mercy, get ready.
Ma'am, can you see?
Yes, I can see, I can see. Okay. Okay. Keep on turning.
Ma'am, till here.
Yes, okay, very good. Okay, Srijana done. Mercy. Mercy. After Mercy, this Nunu, get ready. After Mercy, Nunu, get ready. Nunu. Okay, keep on turning the page, Mercy. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, next.
Till there, ma'am.
Okay, good, good. Okay, Mercy again done. Nunu, show me. After Nunu finish.
Ma'am,
Yes, no,
Ma'am,
no.
I did not bring my copy.
Where? Where?
Ma'am, I'm in different place.
Even if you were in different place, you should write na. You should have written in some paper and all na. Later on, you can paste that. By Thursday, you show me. It won't do. Like you can't just say na that you did not bring your copy and then you did not write. You can write in a Gista also na. Like later on, you can just staple it there. You show me by Thursday, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Show me by Thursday. I'm giving you time. Tonight also you can write. Tomorrow also you can write, and Thursday you show me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, who is left? Monica, show me. And Rashmi Sonowal. Rashmi Sonowal, are you ready? Okay, Rashmi, show me. Okay. After Rashmi, Monica, get ready, huh? Okay. After Monica, Rudolph, get ready. Okay. Okay. Turn the page. Okay, okay. Good, Rashmi. Okay, next. Next, Monica, show me, Monica. After Monica, Rudolph, get ready. Okay, Monica. Turn the page, Monica. After Monica, Rudolph, get ready. After Rudolph, Sankamchi. Okay. Turn the page, Monica. Okay. Next page. Okay. Okay. Next page. Okay, Monica, good. Rudolph, show me. Rudolph? Rudolph, show me. Okay. Rudolph, show me nicely. After Rudolph, Sankamchi, get ready. Rudolph, show me. Okay, show me nicely. You keep your camera in such a position that I can like see it nicely. Okay. Okay, okay. Next page. Okay. Okay. Okay, next page. Okay. Keep on turning. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, I haven't finished all the
Okay, okay, no problem.
tumor of kidney.
Whatever is left, like you show me on Thursday, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Rudolph, after Rudolph, Sankamchi. Sankamchi. Okay. Sankamchi, after Sankamchi. After Sankamchi, Prakriti get ready after Sankamchi.
Ma'am, I haven't completed my tumor of kidney. I have completed only up to here.
Only till there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you try to complete by Thursday, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Sankamchi, after the Sankamchi, who is that? Prakriti, show me, Prakriti. Prakriti, show me. Okay, show me, Prakriti, your, this notes. And then who else will be left? Okay, keep on showing and keep on turning the page. After Prakriti, Shelly, get ready, okay? Okay, keep on turning the page. Okay. Prakriti, show me your last page. Show me your last page.
Ma'am, this is the last page.
Okay, then good. Next, Shelly, show me. Next is Shelly, 21, 22. Who else is left? Which person is joining or what? Shelly.
Ma'am, मैंने भी नहीं दिखाया.
Who is that?
Ma'am, Krishna.
Oh, Trishna. Okay. After Shelly, Trishna, get ready, huh? Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you see?
Yes, I can see Shelly. Okay, Shelly, nice handwriting. Keep on turning the page. Srijana, keep on taking attendance.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay, good. Next, Trishna, show me. Trishna.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, show me. Show me nicely and clearly, you show me. What was that?
Ma'am.
Say the topic. It's not that clear.
Ma'am, tumor of kidney.
Okay, I can see now. Rifan is absent. Trishna. Okay, keep on turning, Trishna. Okay, next. Okay.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay, good, Trishna. Okay, now I will call out the name. Okay, please listen your name nicely. Whoever submitted the notes today, please listen carefully. If anyone is left out, inform me because I have to check again whoever did not submit on Thursday. Finisha, Shital, Malvina, Girija, Samuel, Surajit, Tumpe, Nafishisa, Ilasara, Darshana, Dibyajit, Ishan, Srijana, Mercy, Rasmi, Monica, Rudolph, Senkamchi, Prakriti, Shelly, Trishna. Is everyone name is mentioned, right? Whoever have shown me today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Whoever is left out, okay, all those names also I will be writing, like who will be showing me on Thursday. So don't neglect all these. Srijana, is the attendance over?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now as the time is left, so today I will not be starting the new chapter today. Like that yesterday I was supposed to check all these notes now, but as we have taken class, so I could not check. So tomorrow I will be having your class, and tomorrow we will be starting the new chapter, which is very, very important, and it is pregnancy related topic. So it's very interesting. So please, everyone, I request everyone to join the class and to attend the class tomorrow, because every time I see there is only like 22 participants, but in your class there are like all of you are 29, I think. Like in the second semester there are 20 students, excluding all those left out, and then in the like fourth semester there are 9 students. So but I had never seen till today like 29 of them are joining. So you request all your friends, whoever did not join today, to join the classes and all. Okay, whatever we have discussed yesterday, like let me ask the question now. All of you are ready? I have already sent the notes also this morning. Are you all ready? Shall we start? Yes or no? Are you all ready? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me ask the question. Whom I will ask the question first? Dibyajit, get ready. Every time I used to ask the same people. So today I will ask this Dibyajit. Dibyajit, are you
Yes, ma'am.
ready? Okay. Okay. I will ask. Today I will be asking you. Okay, just wait a minute. What is obstructive uropathies?
Ma'am, when urine can't flow,
Please, when urine, you tell the exact definition.
मतलब जब यूरिन फ्लो नहीं होता है
Because of what?
through the urine,
Through the urethra or
because of
else? Bolo, bolo.
urethra, bladder or urethra, bladder or urethra.
Urethra, bladder or urethra. Say nicely, say nicely. It's correct, Dibyajit. You just need to say nicely. Obstructive uropathy is when your urine cannot flow through where? Through your? Abhi jo bola bolo, fir se.
Urethra,
Yes, urethra.
bladder,
Yes, or?
urethra.
Q flow nahi ho. Q, why the urine cannot flow? Dear, why? Q, due to? Due to
Some types of obstruction.
Okay.
Obstruction.
Okay, good. Next, whom I will ask? I already asked Dibyajit. Let me ask Malvina. Only 10 minutes left. Please concentrate. Malvina, tell me the common causes of obstructive uropathy. Tell me only the one cause. Tell me just only one cause. Shital.
Bladder stone.
Malvina, say.
Bladder stone.
Okay, good. Girija, you tell me one more. Hurry up. Girija, tell me one common cause. Girija, tell me one common cause.
Colon cancer, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, done. Then whom else? Tumpe. Tumpe, tell me one more. Whatever your friend did not mention, you tell me. Tumpe, tell me.
Ma'am, kidney stone.
What?
Kidney stone.
Yes, good. Okay, next. Nafishisa, you tell me what are these common causes of obstructive uropathy, all those cancer related I have given, na? All those you mentioned, Nafishisa.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, say, what are those cancer?
Colon cancer, uterine cancer, and cervical cancer.
Okay, good. Let us move on to the symptoms. Ishan, tell me the two symptoms of obstructive uropathy. Ishan, tell me the two symptoms.
Ma'am, blood in urine.
Yes.
And fever.
Okay, good. Srijana, you tell me the whatever Ishan did not mention, all those means excluding that, you mentioned the rest three symptoms. Tell me the three symptoms.
Fever.
Fever, he already mentioned. He mentioned fever and blood in urine. You mentioned other three.
Decreased urine output, frequent urination, nausea and vomiting, flying pain, edema, weak or slow urination stream, dysuria.
Okay, enough. Okay, then Mercy, you tell me the two symptoms. Mercy, tell me two symptoms.
Oliguria and feeling as if the bladder is never empty.
Yes, good. Okay. Rodolphe, are you ready? Rodolphe used to be very excited, so let me ask him. Rodolphe, can you please tell me four symptoms with you? After your response, we will end the symptoms part.
Yes,
Don't tell me the 4 symptoms, only 4.
Symptoms of?
Symptoms of obstructive uropathy. I had given you 10 points. You just tell me only 4.
Blood in urine.
Yes, keep on saying.
Decrease urine output.
Yeah, and then?
And
say.
Frequent urination.
Yes, and then? And then?
Dysuria.
Okay, good. Samuel, tell me the diagnostic evaluation. सबसे पहले क्या करना चाहिए था? क्या examination था जो मैंने दिया था? कुछ examination दिया था ना? Samuel.
Ma'am, catheterization may be done.
हाँ, उसके बाद कुछ examination कुछ दिया था ना? C से? It start with C. Catheterization.
Cystoscopy examination.
Oh yes, cystoscopic examination. और कुछ culture दिया था. वो क्या था?
Urine culture.
Yes.
Blood test.
Yes. Okay. Good. Whom I will ask? Senkamchi. Senkamchi, tell me the management. Tell me only the one management. Senkamchi, tell me one management. Only one. Suppose if a person suffer from this obstructive uropathy, means like he have obstructive uropathy, okay, and you want to manage that. There is obstruction in his ureter or else in his urethra or else in his bladder. So all those obstruction you want to correct or you want to manage. So what first management will you perform? Just tell me only the one management. 3, 4, I have given you all 6, I guess. I forgot, I think 6 I give. So you just tell me. Pardon?
Ma'am, lithotripsy.
Lithotripsy,
okay?
Lithotripsy. Okay, no problem. Srijana, please explain lithotripsy. Please explain what is lithotripsy.
Ma'am, it is a medical procedure in which shock wave is used to shrink the stone.
To this one, yes, is to break the stone into small pieces.
Smaller particles.
Yes. Okay. Who else? Trishna, you tell me one management which is not mentioned by Senkamchi. Senkamchi have mentioned lithotripsy, and you tell me the one management.
Ma'am, ultrasound.
Ultrasound. Okay, good. Next, Monica, you tell me one management. After that, we'll end the class.
I'm nephrostomy.
Nephrostomy? Okay, good. Okay. That means all of you have understand the class that I have taken yesterday and that particular notes which I have sent in this morning. Now you write down and I will be checking on this Thursday. And tomorrow, all of you, please request your friend also who is absent today to join the class tomorrow, because I will be taking the class tomorrow and I will be starting the new chapter, and it is very important. So it's pregnancy related topic and it relates to the kidney disease associated with that of pregnancy. So you request all your friends to join the class. Okay, everyone, that's all for today. Enjoy your day.